Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen as a cute strawberry. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the ears. Let's draw a pointed curve up on the left side and on the right. Now top in between, and let's draw a rounded rectangle down in the center. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's move underneath and let's draw two curves for the mouth. And then two circles for the eyes. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the stem of the strawberry. In the center, between the ears, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. Now let's continue it on the other side of the ear, curving it out and back up. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw another curve up and back in towards the center. And the same thing on the right, leaving a gap in the middle. Next, inside the gap, let's draw a curve up and back down like this. And that's it for the stem. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start next to the stem and let's draw a curve out, bringing it down and in towards the bottom. And the same on the other side. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw some details. On both sides at the top, let's draw two curved lines for the whiskers. Now let's move down in the center and let's draw a curve U shape on the left and on the right for the hands. Then at the bottom, let's draw the feet in the same way, but we're going to curve it upwards. Lastly, let's add some strawberry seeds. On the left side, let's draw a half teardrop shape coming out from the side. And the same thing on the right. Now next to it, let's draw a teardrop and another one underneath. And now let's draw two on the right side as well. And that's it for this cute strawberry Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!